Our third book model is Sexagesimal. This is the most complicated fold that we'll do, so it might take you a couple practice tries. Again, start with that horizontal fold and line up your edges. This helps you to be as precise as possible with your folds. Smooth it down from the center. To make our accordion fold, we simply fold towards the center again, line up our edges for the cleanest, most straight edge, hold from the center, smooth down the edges, flip it over, fold it again to the center fold, hold it in the center, smooth down your edges, makes a really nice, straight, clean accordion, and we'll do the same going the opposite direction with our vertical folds. Hold it to the center, smooth it down to the sides, and we're gonna fold again, and fold it again this way. And in the end, we're gonna have 16 rectangles. Once we have our 16 rectangles, then we can think about our cuts. The cuts are the tricky part. First thing we're gonna do, what I like to do so that we can keep the cuts, remember where the cuts are, is I like to draw them in with pencil. You definitely don't have to. Once you kind of figure out the pattern, it gets easier. But for now, we're gonna draw them in just so you can see them. And there are gonna be 2 cuts that go out in this direction. And then there's going to be 1 cut coming from the other direction. And this is the important part of the model. If you put your cuts in the wrong spots, your book won't fold the way you want it to. All right, so now we're going to cut where we drew those lines. And all these templates also exist in the PowerPoint example that we walk through. And you have these videos to go back to as many times as you need to, so that it can help you remember. And then we turn it around and cut the 1 time on the other side. Now, if we did our accordion folds correctly, when we go to fold our book, it should just naturally fold accordion style every other fold. But if it doesn't, when we get to these connector points, it should be able to reverse pretty easily since we already have a crease in our paper. So then to fold up our book, we just follow it and reverse it each time. And that is book model number 3.